Have you ever walked into a home and felt an immediate sense of peace and abundance? Or perhaps, you've noticed that some spaces seem to repel good fortune despite your best efforts. What if I told you that everyday cleaning habits might be the key to unlocking positive energy and prosperity in your life? Welcome to Wisdom in Buddhism, where we delve deep into the teachings that guide us toward a harmonious and fulfilling existence. In today's video, we'll uncover 10 common cleaning mistakes that, according to Buddhist wisdom, could be attracting negative energies and blocking the flow of prosperity. Stay with us until the end to learn how simple adjustments can transform your living space and, ultimately, your life. But before we dive in, take a moment to leave a like, subscribe to our channel, and comment below with a positive affirmation like, "I deserve to live in prosperity and harmony." Your support helps us reach more people seeking wisdom and positivity. Let's embark on this journey together. 1. Keeping broken or unused items. One of the most impactful mistakes is holding onto broken items or things that no longer serve a purpose in your home. According to Buddhist teachings, everything around us carries energy, and damaged objects retain negative vibrations that disrupt the natural flow of prosperity. Personal insight: in my years of study and practice, I've observed how letting go of such items can be profoundly liberating. It's not just about decluttering physical space but also about releasing mental and emotional baggage that holds you back from growth. Story example: consider the story of a monk who lived in a small monastery. Over the years, he accumulated various broken items and unused tools, believing they held value. However, the monastery's energy became stagnant, and the monks felt discouraged. Realizing the connection, they began to let go of what wasn't needed. As they did, the space felt lighter, and their collective spirit soared, attracting more opportunities for growth and learning. Correction: start by conducting a periodic sorting of your belongings. Ask yourself, does this item still have utility? Is it in good condition? If the answer is no, let it go without fear. This conscious cleaning practice creates space for abundance to manifest in your life. 2. Accumulating garbage and waste. Accumulating garbage, especially organic waste, carries dense energy that stagnates and prevents the flow of good vibrations. In Buddhism, it's believed that clean and organized environments favor the entry of good opportunities, while dirt and waste block the circulation of vital energy. Personal insight: maintaining a clean environment isn't just about hygiene, it's about creating a sanctuary that nurtures your spirit and attracts prosperity. Story example: a family noticed that no matter how hard they worked, financial struggles persisted. Upon reflection, they realized their kitchen was cluttered with unwashed dishes and garbage. By establishing a routine to clean the kitchen daily, not only did their home's energy improve, but their financial situation also began to stabilize and improve. Correction: establish a routine for removing trash, especially from key areas like the kitchen and entrance. Visualize that along with the trash, you're releasing negative thoughts and blockages, making space for clarity and new opportunities. 3. Neglecting to clean mirrors properly. Mirrors are powerful energy portals that reflect the environment around them. However, dirty or broken mirrors generate distorted reflections, affecting mental clarity and luck. Personal insight: a clean mirror not only brightens a space but also symbolizes a clear and open mind, ready to receive positive energy. Story example: a young entrepreneur struggled with decision-making and felt constantly overwhelmed. She noticed her bathroom mirror was perpetually dirty and often cracked. After cleaning and repairing it, she felt a significant improvement in her mental clarity and decision-making abilities, leading to better business outcomes. Correction: keep your mirrors clean and well-positioned. Avoid placing mirrors directly in front of doors or windows to prevent the immediate reflection and expulsion of positive energy. Instead, place them in areas that amplify light and space, such as corridors or living rooms. 4. Ignoring corners and baseboards. Corners and baseboards are common areas where dust and dirt accumulate, stagnating energy and preventing the natural flow of positive vibrations. Personal insight: attention to small details in your environment reflects a conscious and organized posture, signaling to the universe your readiness to receive prosperity. Story example: in a bustling household, corners and baseboards were often overlooked, leading to a persistent feeling of heaviness and stagnation. By dedicating time each week to thoroughly clean these areas, the household experienced a renewed sense of energy and increased opportunities. Correction: incorporate the cleaning of corners and baseboards into your routine using a damp cloth or vacuum cleaner. Visualize blockages being eliminated and renewed energy circulating freely. 5. Using dingy or worn-out bedding and towels. Bedding and towels symbolize comfort and renewal. Old or poorly maintained items retain stagnant vibrations, manifesting as discouragement and financial difficulties. Personal insight: keeping your bedding and towels clean is a form of self-care that directly influences your personal energy and overall well-being. Story example: a person noticed that despite having a tidy home, they felt constantly tired and unmotivated. Upon inspection, they realized their bedding was old and worn out. Replacing it with fresh, clean linens brought a sense of rejuvenation and increased their energy levels, positively impacting their productivity and financial situation. Correction: keep your sheets, blankets, and towels clean and changed frequently. Replace very worn items or those with permanent stains to renew the energy around you and communicate to the universe your openness to new and better things. 6. Storing brooms upside down or keeping them dirty. Brooms are not just cleaning tools, they symbolize the ability to sweep away negative energy. When stored improperly or left dirty, they can block the entry of good energies. Personal insight: a well-maintained broom acts as a powerful tool for renewing the environment and attracting prosperity. Story example: in a traditional household, the broom was always stored upside down. A subtle practice that unknowingly expelled positive vibrations. After correcting this habit and keeping the broom clean and properly stored, the household experienced a noticeable shift in energy, leading to improved relationships and financial gains. Correction: clean your broom regularly and store it in an appropriate place, upright and dry. Visualize that while cleaning, you're sweeping away all negative energies and blockages, making room for positive vibrations. 7. Leaving dirty dishes in the sink overnight. The kitchen is the heart of the home, associated with nourishment and abundance. Dirty dishes represent disorder and stagnation, blocking the flow of good opportunities. Personal insight: maintaining a clean kitchen is essential for fostering a sense of clarity and readiness to embrace new opportunities. Story example: a family struggled with constant arguments and financial stress. They realized their kitchen sink was often full of dirty dishes, symbolizing unresolved issues. By committing to clean the sink every night, the household felt a significant improvement in their relationships and financial stability. Correction: develop the habit of cleaning the sink before going to bed, leaving the space clean and organized for the next day. View dishwashing as a purification ritual, eliminating worries and blockages. 8. Wearing shoes inside the house. Shoes carry not only physical dirt but also external energies. Walking indoors with shoes can introduce chaotic energy, disrupting the home's harmony. Personal insight: creating a symbolic barrier by removing shoes honors the home's sanctity and maintains a peaceful environment. Story example: a household noticed increased stress levels and a lack of tranquility. Upon adopting the practice of removing shoes at the entrance, they experienced a calmer and more harmonious home atmosphere, which positively influenced their financial and emotional well-being. Correction: leave shoes at the entrance and use exclusive slippers inside the house. This gesture preserves physical cleanliness and maintains positive internal energy, creating a sacred space ready to welcome peace and prosperity. 9. Keeping dead or neglected plants. Plants symbolize life, growth, and renewal. Dead or neglected plants emit stagnant energy, creating vibrations of decay and hindering prosperity. Personal insight: healthy plants not only enhance the aesthetic of your home but also invigorate its energy, fostering an environment conducive to success. Story example: a home filled with dying plants felt perpetually gloomy and uninviting. By removing these neglected plants and introducing vibrant, healthy ones, the home's energy transformed, leading to a more positive and prosperous household dynamic. Correction: discard dead plants and replace them with new, healthy species. If time is limited, opt for low-maintenance plants like succulents. Caring for plants is an exercise in cultivating positive and active energy. 10. Forgetting to open windows regularly. Stagnant air represents stagnant energy, affecting both physical health and the flow of opportunities. Regularly opening windows allows for air renewal and energy circulation. Personal insight: fresh air and natural light are essential for maintaining a vibrant and positive environment, aligning your space with abundance. Story example: in a home where windows were rarely opened, residents felt a sense of heaviness and mental fog. By making it a daily habit to open windows each morning, they experienced increased clarity, creativity, and a welcoming atmosphere that attracted new opportunities. Correction: make it a daily ritual to open windows, even if just for a few minutes. Visualize releasing old, negative energy and inviting fresh, positive vibrations into your home. We've reached the end of our exploration into the 10 cleaning mistakes that can block prosperity according to Buddhist teachings. By identifying and correcting these habits, you not only improve your physical environment but also make room for good things to enter your life. Remember, cleaning goes beyond a simple household activity. It's a powerful spiritual practice that reflects and influences your mental and emotional state. Each small adjustment you make with intention and awareness contributes to renewing the energy around you, opening space for new opportunities and abundance. Prosperity begins the moment you choose to care for your space with love and attention. Incorporate these practices into your daily routine, and you'll notice a profound transformation in both your environment and your life. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to Wisdom in Buddhism, and share this content with someone who could benefit from these insights. Comment below with a positive affirmation such as, "I make space for prosperity to enter my life," and start spreading good vibes today. Thank you for joining us on this journey toward a harmonious and prosperous life. See you in the next video.